showing you how to make pretty snails with clay. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you want to make such interesting and amazing DIYs, then visit our website mysparklebox.com. You can find variety of art and craft kits over there. Making this clay art? Give it a try yourself and share your work with us on Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.